This is Corleen from Natural V. It's your favorite. Today I am going to do a couple of extracts. All right. A lot of you know that I am a family herbalist and a nutritional herbalist. I also did a internship in Charlottesville, Virginia, and the store I worked at or did the intern with was called Elderberry Health Store. And it was awesome. And I loved it because the owner, they taught me how to make tinctures, just all kinds of things. And not only tinctures, but even putting different tinctures together to make a combination of something that somebody needed. All right. And so that's what I want to do today, to just kind of show you how to do your own. You can go to the store and you can buy it, but sometimes, for just an ounce, you can pay 16 to 20 some dollars, where you can get your own, order your own leaves and, flowers and stuff like that. So, but I'm going to do two of them, and it's going to be really easy and quick and fast. All right. I will tell you this, that it will take at least 4 to 6 weeks for it to marinate before it's ready to use. Okay. However, there is a quick process. Once you make these, you can put them in a stainless steel pan. Make sure you put a rag at the bottom of that pan. Put your 2 jars in and let it simmer for 3 hours. Okay. The reason you have the rag in is to keep it from the jars from breaking. All right. But like I said, I'm just going to show you how to do it. And so this is one that I've already done. And I'm going to just show you what it looks like. This is a Chamomile. Okay. See how dark that is? Hope you can see that. Let me just come up a little bit. See how dark that is? Okay. And I use this for, like sometimes, it's hard to sleep. Now you can have chamomile tea, but I just like the extract, because I just put it at my on my dresser by the bed. And so let's get started. Let me tell you about chamomile, okay? Some of the things that it helps with. According to Dr. Axe, I like Dr. Axe. He states that chamomile will improve anxiety and depression, seasonal allergies, inflammation conditions, muscle spasms, PMS symptoms, and other menstrual disorder. Insomnia, a lot of us have problems sleeping at night, so that would be something good. It also helps with skin disorder, ulcers, wounds, gastrointestinal disorder, arthritis symptoms and pain, and hemorrhoids. Wow, these are a lot of things. Now, this is according to his website. The dose, if you want to do the tea, you can do up to 1 to 4 cups of tea a day. But I would not suggest that, because, chamomile can help you, relax you. And next thing you know, you feel kind of drowsy. So I would say, he does say here that 45 minutes before bed, drink a cup of tea, 45 minutes before bed. Now, the extract, what I normally take, it's about 15 to 30 drops. All right. So 15 to 30 drops. And I'm telling you, I just relax and I am sleeping, So that is the chamomile. And I just want to show you what it looks like. Probably can't see this. It's like little flowers. Yeah, I know that's kind of hard to see, but let me just see if I can do that. It's like a little flower, okay? And all right, the next extract we're going to do, this one is called hops, Hops, okay? And hops when I was doing some research, it's what they use to put in beer. Okay. Now look, I want you to see what this looks like. Okay, it's like a little flower just like that. Okay, like I said, you can go online and research and actually, see what it really looks like. All right. And these are, and according to organic facts, these are some things that it has in it, some nutrition. It's not really, it doesn't contain a lot of nutrition, but it does have noticeable level of vitamin B, C, and E. Okay. It's also an antioxidant and a flavonoid. All right. And these are some things that hops, help you with. Okay. It relieves symptoms of insomnia. It treats arthritis and fibromyalgia. I had a friend, she had fibromyalgia. This was years ago. I didn't even know what it was, but yeah, this is something that it helps with. It eases transitional hormone changes of menopause. It aids in weight loss. It soothes toothache, reduce pain in some joints and muscles. It minimizes the severity of menstrual cramps and other symptoms such as mood swing. It manages diabetic symptoms. It treats ulcers. It helps to calm anxiety. It relaxes the muscles and prevent tension headaches. It increases blood flow and boosts cognitive function. And it prevents hair loss and dryness of the scalp, which can lead to dandruff. And finally, it says here, it boosts skin health by eliminating inflammation. Now, the dose for this would be about, according to organic facts, it would be about 10 to 15 drops in water. Okay. Because like I said, they use this, for, you know, beer. So, I was telling a lady and she was telling me how, she was asking me what's good for sleep problems. And I told her about the camia and the hop. And so I told her that the hops, herb was used in beer. You know what she said? She said, oh, well, I could just continue to drink beer. you know, well, like she has her own choice to do that. Okay. All right. So let's get to it. Oh, let me show you. This is what I ordered the hops from Star West Botanical. All right. These are the hops. Okay. Like I said, I like to keep my own herbs here. And this is the chamomile flower whole, and this is from Best Botanical. Okay. So yeah, I just this I think this is a pound, and I think this is well, I'm not sure if it's, oh no, this is 4 ounces. Okay. All right. So like I said, I keep that stuff on hand. All right. So making an extract, you're going to use distilled water. Remember I told y'all distilled water is a hungry water. So you want to use distilled water. Okay. And then we're going to use the vegetable glycerin. All right. And this is natural oils, and it's 100% USP grade kosher. Okay. So like I said, I keep that in the house. All right. So first we want to add 1/4 of a cup of water. All right. So we use, it's a 1/2 cup of herbs. Okay. So this is a 1/2 cup and this is a 1/2 cup in a pint jar. Okay. Now we're going to pour 1/4 of a cup of water there and 1/4 of a cup of water there. Okay. So we're going to, and if we need some more water, we can, but it's 1/4 cup of water to 3/4 cups of the glycerin. Okay. And then you want to stir it. I have a chopstick here that I'm just stirring it to, because the leaves are dry. And so we just want to, and so and these two herbs, they, some of them, they have some of the same properties. So you could use whichever one you want. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's the cameo one. Okay, now we're gonna. Now I might just add just a tad bit more water. Okay, let me just add a little bit more water to both of them. Okay. Okay, so I added about 2 tablespoons to each one. Yeah. Okay, because I can see the water at the bottom of this. Yeah. Now let me tell you one thing. Like I said, you can have chamomile tea, and you can have hop tea. But I want to warn you, hops are so bitter. Okay, I just want to let you know that it's very bitter. Because I tried it, I said, "Oh, let me just have some hops tea," and it's like, "Oh my gracious, it's so bitter." Let me just rinse that off. Okay, here we go. Because I went and I was looking for some Chamomile extract, and as I went to go find it, it was like, I mean, 1 ounce was like $16. So I just said, okay, wait a minute. I got my training, so let me. Okay, here we go. Let's just see. I'm gonna 1, 2, and 3 for that one. Okay, and because so what this makes, it makes about a cup. 1/4 water and 3/4 of the vegetable glycerin. Okay. All right. We'll finish using that. Now see, this is just a light brown right now. But remember I showed you the one that I have already fixed. And it was dark brown. And so that's what you're looking for. And once you, so we got that stirred really good. And you want to check it from time to time because it's going to, let me just rinse this off again too. I don't think it matters because this one is bitter. I just didn't want to mix the bitter with the the other ones. And when you do an extract like this, you could, give to your, your kids that may be having problems sleeping or whatever. But the thing is, check with your doctor, if and I think most doctors will say that, chamomile tea is good, but, just check with them about, the hops. Okay. Like I said, I've used hop because I was having a lot of pain. And, okay. So let me just, I want to stir that again. Okay. Here we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Everything is there. Now I'm just going to take a paper towel and I'm just going to wipe around the edge here. Now, once I put the top on this, I will, set it in a dark place. And then, check it in the morning. And if I have to shake it up, I will shake it up. A little bit of A little bit of that glycerin on the top here. Okay, so like I said, it's a half a cup of herbs, or half of the jar of herbs, a fourth of a cup of water. It kind of test it, and what's going to happen, this is going to come up, once it's set. All right, and that's going to be your extract. And so when it's all done, you will take a cheesecloth, pour it in that cheesecloth, and just strain it out. That's what you're going to do. Okay. And so this one is the hops extract. And so, like I said, just check it every day. And you can open it up and stir it, then put it right back in there. All right. So look, try it. Make sure because it's like I said, I know what's in my uh food, in my tinctures, in my extract. And like I said, if you want to do a tincture, tinctures last a little bit longer because they're used with alcohol. But I know this will be gone. So but yeah. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good night's sleep. Okay, because both of these are good for insomnia.